I'm going to turn this into this. And I'm going to show you how I did it and wait till the end to see how much it costs and the breakdown of everything you're going to need to have an awesome landscape. So you can pick up bricks like these at your local hardware or Home Depot store. They run about $2 a brick. Or you can do what I did and check Facebook Marketplace. People are often giving these away or at least selling them half to the price. For this project, you're going to need a few tools. First, you're going to need a square nose shovel to dig the trench for the base of the wall. For the base itself, you're going to need a couple bags of sand and gravel and a hand tamp to compact everything. Then, you're going to need twine, a couple of poles, and a line level so you can make sure that your base is nice and level. And finally, you're going to need an edging shovel to give your edges that nice, crisp, clean look. I'll make sure to link everything in the description. So first, I've laid out my bricks. Give me a general idea of how I want the wall to look. And now I'm going to start digging the trench with my square nose shovel, and I'm going to shave off the ground. Now for this design, the left part of the wall is going to look like it's flowing into the ground since that part of the yard has a little incline to it. Next, I'm going to add the gravel to the trench. This is going to help with drainage and it's going to give you a nice, sturdy, level base to begin with. Next, we're going to pour sand over our rock base, and then we're going to use a piece of wood to level out any uneven areas. Next, use your hand tamper to tamp down that sand and give you a nice compact base for your bricks. Following this, I'm going to check and make sure everything's nice and level. For this short wall, I'm using 2 poles in the ground and I'm going to tie twine in between them. Then I'm going to use my line level by placing it on the line and make sure that that line is perfectly level. And I'm going to use this as a reference, as you'll see here shortly. Once you have your line level, you can measure down from the line to the base and make sure the measurements are the same all across. As you can see here, I had some high spots and low spots, so I moved some sand around and made sure that the measurements were the same and everything was tamped back down. Now that you got a nice sturdy base for your wall, it's time to start laying the bricks. For the second layer of bricks, I have to dig out the ground to the left a little bit so it gives it that appearance that it's flowing into or out of that decline on the side of the yard. To do this, I'm just going to shave off that top layer, even with the first layer of bricks. Then I'm going to lay down some gravel and sand and continue to build the wall just like I did with the first layer.
More stable.
Then just pour the rest of your gravel behind the wall to help with drainage. Next, it's time to add some topsoil to the area behind the wall before we get started on the rest of the flower bed. Now that the wall's finished, it's time to edge the rest of the bed. I'm using this hand edger to give a nice crisp edge that's also going to help hold in the mulch that we're getting ready to lay down. Next, all I have to do is lay down this mulch. This is black-dyed mulch that I picked up from my local landscape supply company, and a scoop of this was only $25, which is a lot cheaper than going to a big box store like Home Depot and buying it by the bag. Since I removed all the old mulch from last year, I'm going to lay it down at about 2.5 to 3 inches thick. But if you're top dressing and not removing last year's mulch, you can get away with only doing about an inch. All in all, this entire project only cost me about $35. I got the mulch for $25 from a landscaping supply company, and the bricks I got for free on Facebook Marketplace. As far as the sand and the gravel, check your local big box store like Home Depot. They often sell damaged bags for as cheap as $1. So after a couple hours of work and $35, I've given this flower bed a complete upgrade. Hope you enjoyed and see you on the next one.